Okay, it's me, GappaMagix. Oh, hold on, let's refresh that. There we go. Now, about to go ride my bride-to-be, Miss B's bicycle that I bought for her, vintage bicycle, to the 8th Street or 8th Street hill near the woods there, and I'm gonna go clean up all the litter that is in the woods, or as much as I can. I'm gonna pause it until I get there. Okay, I just made it up here. Parked the bike in the same spot as I did yesterday. I noticed some other bipedal humanoid creature signs right here. Poop. It's not deer poop. And anyway, about to go pick up some trash. First piece I pick up is that big oil bucket or some type of canister up here. And then I'll clear up as much as I can on this side of the hill. This is 8th Street Hill, whether anyone likes to hear that or not. Probably shouldn't have worn my winter coat since it's slightly warming up today. It's like 55, 56 degrees out. But for the most part, I can deal with being a little warm since it was so cold recently. And anyway, now here's the bag. Put my glove on, my picking glove. I only need really one glove to do the picking. Then the other, you hold the bag and hold the phone. That's how you film. There's the GappaMagix how-to as well. How to pick up trash one-handed. Doing the Wendigos and skinwalkers a favor, cleaning up the woods slightly. There ain't much trash over that way, so I don't need to really walk past that barrier that they built or constructed. In fact, I didn't even notice that part. Hold on, let's take a look at this. They really bent that tree. And how? That's the next question. How did they get that tree to bend like that? I didn't even notice that part yet. Hold on, make sure this ain't on Zoom. Alright. That's interesting right there. It's alive too. It's sturdy. Wow. I've never seen nothing like that. I didn't even notice it really until right now because I was on that path right there instead of looking back at it. I believe, I can't prove it though, but I believe Magic bent that tree. And anyway, up here there's trash. Get that, then leave. But anyway, right here, whatever it is, something. Cardboard or styrofoam, whatever it's called. Shit that's not biodegradable. I better break this in half. There goes that piece of trash into the bag. Now, I don't know where I saw that other piece. maybe it blew away or they kept it. But anyway, there was a container out here. Dailies, get drunk out here, hell yeah. And anyway, there's another one of them piles like that right there. Don't cross that pile. Now I don't know if that's Wendigo or is it mainly Sasquatch barrier markings, but skinwalkers also practice same techniques of marking territory. Like you saw the other day, that is how you could lift it or took away the piece of ribbon that was tied to that tree. Now, that's it for right there. Right here's some more. What we got here? Ooh, you eat some gum saver, life-saving gummies. Ooh, that's cute. And this, oh, little bites. Just want a little bite, not a big bite. Cereal bag. More rubbish right here. Stinks too. What's that? Evidence. Fluff ball. Anyway, here you go. Go in here too. Right here. Oh, there's something over there. Gotta get there this way. Stinks up here a little bit. Not like poop or one of them disgusting smells like they talk about in the podcast. Just kind of like wet dirt or something. Hey, you got the sun chip bag. There you go. Pick that up for you. Ow! Get poked in my head. What's this? Oh, that's cute. Little Valentine thing. No. Something right there. Oh my God, that is a huge piece of poop. Now who's who? So whatever it was sitting right here, literally, and took a dump, sitting on this piece of wood, and pooped right there. That is one of the hugest pieces of poop that I've ever seen, and I almost started cussing right there. But that ain't no joke. That is immense piece of poop. Now, if someone's gonna say that there ain't a mythical creature up here, folklore, it stinks real bad right here, and that is poop from a creature. I don't care what anyone says. Wow, that means whatever it was, huge. That poop is the size of a 6-inch sub from Subway or Jimmy John's or Jersey Mike's or any other Quiznos or sub shop. I am not joking at all. People that don't believe in folklore, that piece of poop right there is the purest form of facts of mythical teleportation creature, interdimensional being, or even abductee slash how you say alien generated monster, where they created a monster out of an animal, if that makes any sense. Now, I can't believe I just saw that. That poop is huge. Now, people that don't say that is valid proof, what could be out here that makes a poop that size? Just leave it in the comments. And I know you guys are scared to comment stuff because you think I'm going to type something back to you. I only type something back when I know you guys are out of line. And when I know you guys are sitting there trying to act like you're SEO worker or something, trying to act like I need to give you money to make my video loop about the internet. I don't think so. That's the algorithm of the net. Since I'm a newbie at these, how you say, proof of bipedal humanoid creature, mimic, or skinwalker, or wendigo proofs outside, that's why I'm last in the algorithm of videos that may get selected to watch. Stuff like that. Pick up with your hand. What's this? Someone's eating a little peanut butter chocolate chip granola bar. That's cute. What's this? Someone's drinking the bubbly. Or bubbler, excuse me. Basically a knockoff of LaCroix sparkling water. That's enough right there. This bag is getting full. We'll go all the way to the top up here. Then we'll walk into the pear tree. What's this? Oh, a Lindor. What's this? Oh, another one. Different flavor of a Sunbelt granola bar. Got tape. Walk all the way up. Oh, what's that? Hold on. This is like a hollow in a tree here. Now, if you believe in portal trees, like I do, maybe this is where it once came out of. And anyway, though, this tree is outrageous. It's like got a branch that's pushing down into the dirt. This piece of trash right here. I'm trying to get that. I get to walk right next to this tree. Oh, hold on. There's some markings here. This is outrageous. This tree is alive, though. That's for sure. Oh, try to step over it. No, where's that piece of rubbish? Here's something. I don't think that was what I was looking at though before. Oh, it's right there. So I couldn't see it. What is it? It's like a little note or something. It's a receipt. What they order? Oh, it's a McDonald's receipt. Let's see if we can get who threw it away. Let's put their Visa account out there. Why not? There you go. Last four is 1183. Litterer. Can't even throw away your receipt. You can't even throw away a receipt while you ask for one. And anyway, here's rubbish. Wet piece of paper. Gross. That's what the glove is for. Now, what's this? Black paper bag. It sits on top of here. It has to. Drain hole covers. It's like Mario Land. Go down that tunnel. Who knows where it goes? Got a Capri Sun pouch. Traditional flavor. There's something over there. Gum. Wrigley's. What's this? Another piece of bag. Go up all the way to the top here, where it went up, go snowboarding. There's a cup. Someone's drinking. Put a little cup in there. How much litter is on this hill? What's this? Some type of balloon. Then a prize package. Look at this, tumbleweed. Check it out. Oh, it'll go once the wind picks up. Anyway, what's going on here? People throwing fire right here. They don't want the beast to come up here. These people, they don't give a shit either, I guess. This is their backyard, technically. I'll pick it up for them, though. What's this? Something gross. Some type of donut or something. I'll go over here. This is what I was looking at the other day. Why is there a Gatorade bottle right here? I know I didn't put it there. Looks like orange Gatorade too. Look like didn't try to open it or anything. So that means the beast knows what's good to try to open and what's not. That's my opinion. Okay. Well, there's a piece of trash right there. I don't know if I'll be able to. I'm gonna put the bag right here and go get it. What's that? It's like a. What is that? A worm or something. Inchworm. Weed bag. Did I drop it? I did. That's another one-handed challenge. Okay. Now we'll go down this way. What's that? Rubbish. Stuck into the earth. Oh, what's that? It's a bag right there. I don't know if I'll be able to get that. Maybe I like to try to film myself doing it all. I guess I have no choice but to. So it stands right here. Has to. Because that other little nook is right up there. What's that? That's a unique slide right there. Slipped. Whatever it was. So it comes in there right there, kind of right here too. Wait a minute. Hold on. I gotta go back. I want to show you this. Just seen something. Right? What's going on right here? This is all kind of put there. Bunch of rocks right there and something to like scratch its back on or something like that, in my opinion. Lean up against that and scratch its back. Just a guess. way to get down all muddy. I'm not gonna, hold on. So take a different track. Never really walked this way yet. This is kind of weird. I could have snowboarded down this too. Damn it. That would have been well good. Dip down this kind of and launch off of that. And then, I didn't know. Didn't know this was right here. Otherwise I would have. Keep going here for a second. This is pretty cool. What's this? It's like chills right here, right? In my opinion. Kind of just sits here. Dug all that out in my opinion. I mean, I can't prove that though. Sits right here maybe. I don't know. Just guessing. Or right here too. It's a pinch. They're all over these trees right here. Anyway, keep walking. Okay, almost back to the spot where I usually enter when I'm gifting. And as well, we might as well check to see if the gifts are gifted. Took. Are the gifts took? They're took. Everything's took. Except for the drink. Still doesn't quite know about this drink yet. But we'll leave it there, I guess. Take the camp. Alright, I'm gonna pick up some more trash over here, I saw. Hey, this is that marking again, kinda. What's really going on right here? And what does it mean? It's similar to the marking over up top over there. And whoever was here littered a bunch of Mountain Dew cans. 0 sugar. Trying to watch the health up here. What's that? What is that? Hey, this is like something. Looks like a light from Christmas or something. Look at this. That's put there. Look at that. That is put there. That's pretty cool. Like stump art. Oh, Stumpy Magoo. Stumpy Lumpy. It looks like almost like a middle finger. Look at this rock. That's pretty cool. I think I'm gonna take that. It's like that other rock that I got yesterday. Sit there like on a triangle. Keep that for my doing my good deed. Now I got a white rock and a black rock. Oh my god, this is a huge poop. So it's here, whatever it is. I forgot the name of the wachuge. There's another term. I forgot what they're called, but it's like a little like hedgehog beast. And I believe native folklore, I forgot what it was called though. I just learned about him yesterday night. Oh my god, this is huge poops. I told you all that it's here. What is that? If that ain't bipedal humanoid skinwalker wendigo poop or mimic poop. Now, that's another telltale sign of a large creature That is a huge poop. Now I smell someone's grilling food. There's a lot of trash up here, actually. Good thing I brought a large bag. Oh my God, that is huge, disgusting poop. And it's recent. Stinks right there. Pardon me. Oh my God. So it's real out here. And I believe what I believe. I believe it's interdimensional, possibly even with a suit, where it could morph, teleport. Just my assumption. This rock look like an egg. This rock looks fake, but it ain't. Red rock. Now, that's that for that part. I'm gonna go up here for a second, because you can't take anything out of there. Hey, look at this brick. Check it out, brick squad. It's a good brick. I'm gonna toss it over there. Maybe it didn't see it yet. Now it's over that way. Go up here once. There's rubbish up here. Not that bad though, is what I thought. Really not that. Oh my God. Oh my God. What is this? This is all dug out. I'm not joking at all right now. I didn't notice this before. This is like, imagine the big beast. And this is like its pillow. Prop its head up right there, kind of. I don't know what to say at all right now. This is like a little spot right there where it definitely could just hide, sleep. This is huge. Like a small car could fit inside here, this little pit. Wow. And I was literally right here. Because I remember when I dropped in off of there when I was snowboarding, I hit that as a little quarter pipe. Then I jumped up here, and then I jumped up that and went down. Wow. That's crazy right there. Unbelievable. 1 second. Right there is just clutter. Anything could hide right there. See, that's a yard right there. There's trash right there. I'm not gonna pick it up. Right there's a bucket. Won't be able to have no room to get that bucket. I'll get that next time. Won't be able to fit in the bag, is what I'm getting at. Or maybe I could go get that bucket a different time and just put it over by their house. Okay, I'm gonna pause it now until I see the next trash. I don't want to run out of film here. Red Solo cup, and I'll fill you up. Let's have a party. Someone scribbled some nonsense on there. And I'll fill. Oh my God, he was filling them up. There's beast poop right there. Here's something. Rubbish. Try to do this all, and got about 10 more minutes to film before it ticks off to a different video. What's this? A rat trap. Unbelievable. Why is there a rat trap down here? Now I've seen it all. I guess the beast eat that rat. Hey, look at Campbell's cream of chicken. with herbs. Oh, that's delicious. Would you like some soup? Check it out. Skinny test. For the most part, these woods are rather clean. What's this? Little fruit bar. That's a huge tumbleweed. I think I pointed that out before. What's this? Oh, little bites. Hey, my rock. Don't want to drop that. Pause it. All right. Okay. What's that? I'm gonna be able to pick that up. What's this? This is something that the beast may need. We'll take it over. It's like one of the floaty things for a swimming pool. Beast may need that. Look at this. This is bipedal humanoid poop. That is not deer poop. Alright, I'm gonna pause it, go take this over there. Oh my god, on the way over here, this is brand new poop. Fresh poop, that is huge. And I'm talking interdimensional being Wendigo is my hypotenuse. And due to the fact, I'm gonna reflect now, back in January 18th of 2026, due to the fact that I filmed me having fun during the day, and I said I'm gonna try to do one at nighttime there. And then, like I said, the reflector shortened it down to 1 minute. When I first got there, I saw an owl in the tree. The owl was rather big too. Watched that owl